Hi, I'm Dan with SoCal Gas. Sometimes in the interest of public safety, we need to turn off natural gas service for individual customers or entire communities. I wanted to take a moment to walk you through the steps involved in turning natural gas service back on, a process we call restoration of service. This process typically takes between 1 to 2 hours per residence and requires an adult over the age of 18 to be present. We will need access to your property and meter, as well as entry into your home to check each natural gas appliance. We urge customers not to attempt to turn natural gas service on themselves. A SoCal Gas technician is required to restore service to ensure your appliances are operating correctly and safely. At SoCal Gas, we're committed to providing safe and reliable service.